Assalamu alaikum students, this is Hadika Batul and today we are going to discuss about measuring instruments lecture number 3. In this video we will discuss about screw gauge. So let's start our video. What is screw gauge? It is a measuring tool. It's specifically designed to measure dimensions such as thickness, diameter and length of small objects with high accuracy. A screw gauge is an essential instrument in various fields like engineering, metalworking and science. What are the parts of screw gauge? Screw gauge is made up of following parts. The first part is U-shaped frame. Screw gauge consists of U-shaped frame that provides a structural support for the gauge. The second part is anvil, a fixed component against which the object being measured is placed. The third part is spindle. It is a movable part. It makes contact with the object for measurement. The fourth part is sleeve or barrel. This is the part marked with a linear scale known as main scale. It helps in reading the measurement, while this line is the datum line on the linear scale. The fifth part is thimble, a rotating part marked with a circular scale, while this is a circular scale marked on thimble. The sixth part is ratchet. A ratchet in a screw gauge is a small mechanism that prevents you from applying too much pressure when measuring an object. Now, zero error of the screw gauge. If zero line on circular scale does not coincide with zero on the linear scale, when the screw of circular scale is fully tightened, then this is called the zero error of the screw gauge. As you can see, the zero on the circular scale and zero on the datum line is coincide with each other, so there is no zero error. While in this case, the zero on the circular scale and zero on the linear scale does not coincide with each other, so this is a zero error. There are two types of zero error. Positive error: when the zero of the circular scale lies below the zero of the main scale, then this error is called positive zero error. The second one is negative zero error. When the zero of the circular scale lies above the zero of the main scale, then this error is called negative zero error. What is the pitch of the screw gauge? The distance traveled by the circular scale and the linear scale in one rotation is called the pitch of the screw gauge. After one rotation, screw gauge shows pitch is equal to 0.5 mm or 1 mm. Now, least count of screw gauge. The least count of a screw gauge is the smallest measurement that can be accurately measured by using screw gauge. Mathematically, least count can be obtained by dividing the pitch of the screw gauge to the total number of divisions on circular scale. So, for example, if the pitch is 0.5 mm and there are 50 divisions on the thimble, then by dividing these two values, we get 0.01 mm or 0.1 cm. So students, if you want to get more videos like this, then please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.